Hey guys, it's Nick from F150LEDs.com. Today we're in our 2009 to 2014 Ford F150 and we're showing you how easy it is to swap out those dim, dingy gear indicator bulbs with our hyper white, extremely bright LEDs, which are going to make it much easier to read, plus it gives a great aesthetic upgrade to the truck as well. It's easy to do and we're going to show you how it's done right now. The first thing that we need to do is remove this top assembly piece here. So all that we got to do is pull up on the back and it's going to pop open, and then just kind of push it up over your shift knob here, and then you'll be able to kind of just pull it directly from the truck like so. And that's going to expose our shifter column here, and there's 4 tabs, 2 on each side, 1 at the front and 1 at the back, and we're just going to use a flathead screwdriver or any kind of similar pry device will work, and we'll just pry these black tabs up, and that's going to pop this whole gear shifter assembly away from the vehicle. Let's get the back ones. Try and do it in a way where the video can see. Okay. So there's 2 bulbs, one here about the mid-center here of the indicator, and then there's also a bulb up here that we're going to have to replace both. So let's start here with the mid-center. So just pull up on this gear indicator unit, and then you'll be able to reach under, and you'll be able to grasp the connector of this bulb. It's going to be vertical, so it'll be kind of pointing down like this. It's kind of hard to show you here on the video camera, but with the counterclockwise turn, you'll be able to pull it out of the housing, and this is what it looks like. Alright, so this is your bulb socket and then the bulb itself. So you'll be able to pull the bulb right out. Careful not to break it, but it'll come out pretty easy. So this is what we're going to be replacing with our hyper white, extremely bright LED here with our thick wedge base and onboard resistance. It's going to be much, much brighter. So just make sure it's seated all the way down. Now we'll be able to find the same bulb socket, put this back in, and with the clockwise turn, lock it into place. Okay, so we've got that bulb swapped out. Now we need to get to our front bulb here. Again, this is hard to show on camera, but you'll be able to feel it with your fingers right here. Okay. And again, using a counterclockwise turn is going to loosen this. It's a tricky one to get to. Okay, got it. Just pull it out here. There you go. Whoops, lost it. Okay, so this is our front bulb. We're going to be doing the same thing. Just pull that one out and replace it with our LED unit. Now, before you get any further, it's a good idea to go ahead and cut the lights on your truck. Make sure your headlights are on. You can cover your ambient sensor on the truck too as well, just to make sure that these units are set up correctly in their polarity. If they don't light, you need to flip them 180 degrees and put the bulb back in. Okay, make sure it's seated all the way down like so. Now we'll be able to put this bulb back in place and reinstall our gear assembly, and we'll be in business. Okay, so we've got our dash trim back in place, and we've swapped out those 2 dim, dingy halogen bulbs with our extremely bright LEDs from F150LEDs.com. These things really do make a difference, both in visibility of the gear indicator and the aesthetics of the interior of your truck. So it's a great, easy to do upgrade. You can check out details at F150LEDs.com, where you'll find all of our custom built LED lighting products built specifically for your Ford F150 and Super Duty trucks. We look forward to seeing you there and truly appreciate your support. Thanks, guys.